Hi kids, let's learn some easy daily use words and grow our vocabulary together. Let's begin. Bag. This is a bag. Eraser. This is an eraser. Pencil. This is a pencil. Clock. This is a clock. Scissors. These are scissors. Door. This is a door. Milk. This is milk. Fan. This is a fan. Cup. This is a cup. Candle. This is a candle. Toy. This is a toy. Glass. This is a glass. Flower. This is a flower. Fruits. These are fruits. Vegetables. These are vegetables. Honey. This is honey. Airplane. This is an airplane. Bus. This is a bus. Train. This is a train. Hospital. This is a hospital. Let's read all the words again. Bag, eraser, pencil, clock, scissor, door, milk, fan, cup, candle, toy, glass, flower, fruits, vegetables, honey, airplane, bus, train, hospitals. Excellent. Thank you for learning with us. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next learning adventure. Bye bye kids.